Have you ever found yourself mulling over the profound enigma of human evolution, or the intriguing mystery of the Iceman, Ötzi? Well, if you're into deciphering ancient puzzles, you're in for a treat today. We're embarking on a journey that leads us back in time to unravel a narrative that's been frozen for millennia, a narrative that has been delicately carved into our genetic makeup. This intriguing tale of the past is not just frozen in ice, but etched within our DNA, awaiting in a groundbreaking study published in Cell Genomics. An esteemed group of researchers have drawn back the veil on this mystery, unveiling fascinating revelations about Ötzi, the age-old Iceman mummy. With the use of advanced genetic analysis techniques, they unearthed insights that provide us a fresh perspective on this enigmatic man from the past, challenging our previously held beliefs about him. This isn't just the unveiling of a discovery, this is a monumental paradigm shift, a seismic event shaking the very foundation of our understanding of human ancestry. The genetic analysis has exposed the fact that Ötzi, contrary to our previous beliefs, was indeed a dark-skinned individual. This astonishing revelation contradicts the notions we previously held about his physical attributes. His genome, over the years contaminated with modern DNA, led the researchers down a labyrinth of misconceptions. For instance, they were led to believe in an illusionary Caspian steppe ancestry, which was proven to be far from the reality. Diving deeper into the findings, the truth emerged clearly, dispelling the fog of incorrect assumptions. It turns out that a whopping 90% of his genetic heritage traces back to Neolithic farmers, shaping a different picture from what was initially assumed. This misrepresentation was due to erroneous interpretations instigated by contaminations in his genome. Furthermore, the study also revealed that Ötzi was a victim of male pattern baldness, an interesting insight into the ancient man's personal life. Most captivating, however, was the discovery that his skin was much darker than what we had previously believed. This revelation, far more significant than it may initially appear to be. It presents an anomaly that challenges the established timeline of genetic changes in the annals of human history. As the research suggests, genetic changes that led to lighter skin tones became prevalent only thousands of years later. This journey back in time not only presents a captivating tale, but also forces us to revisit and reevaluate the established theories of human evolution. The enigmatic Ötzi, thus, serves as a skeleton key, unlocking new perspectives and adding depth to our knowledge of human history. So let us continue to probe the mysteries of the past and the enigmatic tales that have been frozen in time, etched in our DNA, as there's always more to learn and discover. This is a significant find, as it challenges the timeline of genetic changes in human history. Genetic changes for lighter skin tones, the research suggests, became prevalent thousands of years later. These revelations shed new light on the evolution of skin color in Europe, and more broadly, they challenge our understanding of human genetic evolution. This fascinating development not only impacts our current knowledge, but also calls into question the pre-existing notions we've held about the past. We're not just discussing the iconic Ötzi here, but rather the vast and complex landscape of human. It's an exploration into the labyrinth of our origin, unraveling mysteries that lie deep within the recesses of our DNA. Indeed, the journey is as significant as the destination, for it's about us, about our past, about where we come from. It's a reminder of our place in the world and the interconnectedness of all things. Furthermore, it's crucial to remember that science is a continuously evolving field. It is never static. Just like us, it grows, expands, and evolves, responding and adapting to new discoveries and insights. As we delve further into the past, we may find that our ancestors were not who we initially assumed they were. This realization, though shocking, is an integral part of the journey towards enlightenment. It's an invitation to challenge our preconceived ideas and to remain open to new perspectives. It's to embrace the beauty of the unknown, the thrill of discovery, the joy of learning. But that's the beauty of it all. Every discovery, every revelation brings us one step closer to understanding our species, our evolution, and ultimately, ourselves. The next time you gaze at your reflection, remember Ötzi. Recall that your genetics embody countless epochs of humanity, their evolution, changes, and struggles. This DNA of yours is the narrator of history, the keeper of secrets, the conveyor of heritage. Who's to say what surprising revelations lie in wait? Unveiling these secrets could be closer than you think, poised for discovery. Until that moment comes, stay curious. Continue on your voyage of discovery, because every answer just opens the door to another mystery. Moving from the microscopic world of genetics, let's consider something more visible, yet equally mysterious. Ötzi's body was adorned with over 60 tattoos, a fact that adds another layer of intrigue to his story. These tattoos were not mere decorative marks. They were made by cutting the skin and rubbing in charcoal, a technique that must have been both painful and meaningful. The patterns of these tattoos, mostly lines and crosses, were primarily located on parts of the body prone to injury, like the ankles and wrists. This has led some scientists to speculate they may have been early forms of acupuncture, a therapeutic technique that wouldn't be invented for another 2,000 years in China. Others suggest the tattoos may have had a symbolic or religious significance, like rites of passage, or markings of status and identity. But the truth is, we may never know their exact purpose. What we do know, however, is that these tattoos offer a fascinating glimpse into the past, reminding us that our ancestors were not so different from us. They too sought ways to express themselves, to heal, to belong. In the end, Ötzi's tattoos are another reminder of the timeless human desire to understand and shape our world. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the life of Ötzi, the Iceman. Ötzi's story continues to captivate us, not just because of the mystery surrounding his life and death, but also because of the legacy he left behind. His discovery in 1991 sparked a revolution in the scientific community, opening up a window into the late Neolithic era and challenging previous assumptions about human life during that period. As the oldest known natural human mummy in Europe, Ötzi has significantly influenced our understanding of human history. His preserved body, clothing, equipment, and even his last meals offer invaluable insights into the daily life, diet, health, and technology of our ancestors. Moreover, ongoing research on Ötzi continues to reveal new findings. His genome has been sequenced, his last meals analyzed, his health conditions diagnosed, and his cause of death determined. And yet, each answer only leads to more questions, keeping Ötzi in the spotlight of scientific exploration. Future research promises to delve deeper into topics like the origins of his copper axe, the probable routes of his final journey, and the potential existence of his descendants. As we continue to unravel Ötzi's story, we are reminded of the enduring power of curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. The Iceman's legacy, frozen in time, serves as a testament to our shared human history and a beacon leading us further into the mysteries of our past. Stay tuned as we conclude our journey into the life of Ötzi, the Iceman.